An employee is locked out, a ticket gets raised, the queue grows, and it's all for a routine password reset. A password reset sounds simple, but the traditional process is a chain of manual steps. Each one a handoff, each one a delay. Mobiz configured ServiceNow's virtual agent to handle password resets end to end. The manager types one message. Automation does everything else. No approvals, no queue, no IT agent required. Here's the full flow. Live. The manager opens the virtual agent chat directly in the ServiceNow portal and just types what they need. The bot presents everything in line. No new tabs, no separate service catalog. The manager picks the platform, enters the username, adds a justification, and confirms. One conversation. Done. The moment the manager confirms, Mobiz automation takes over. A request is created, a task is assigned to automation, executed, and closed, all without a single human touch. From chat message to employee back at work, under 2 minutes, no approvals, no help desk involved, just automation. At Mobiz, we turn lifecycle complexity into scalable architecture.